Can we have VAR, please? Thank you. Reshot. And that's how you take a free kick. Here are the best tips and tricks to take the best free kicks in your entire career. So let's dive right into the video. First thing is your stance that you're having when actually shooting. Personally, I like to keep the ball maybe go around 5 to 6 steps behind. You want to keep an eye on the ball when you shoot. Okay, when you come ahead with your run-up, your left leg goes towards the left of the ball and your right leg swings at the ball. Do not toe the ball. You want to use this part of your foot to come, stance, and shoot. The next tip is how you have to curve the ball. So, explain.
You want to take your stance, having to like that. Then you come to the ball, you run up, come here, right? Your left leg has to be close to it. Your right leg, you want to hit it with not the toe, but right about here where the toe ends, and you want to like swerve.
So,
you want to keep the side of the ball, and that's how you can curve it from outside the defenders to the outside the wall.
yeah.
Curve it.
And the next tip is do not toe the ball at any costs. Do I make myself clear? The issue is when you toe the ball, can you go there? Yeah. When you toe the ball, it goes in a straight line. And that's really, really easy to predict. Now, if you think of it, when you don't toe the ball, you instead use the part where your toe ends, which I think he had already shown you, which will then have you take a shot like, except just don't miss the shot, you know. Anyway guys, this is probably the last shot we are going to be able to take on this goal, and we are retiring it after the video. It keeps on breaking. I think you'll see that in the behind the scenes of us taking shots. So anyways, let's get on to the last final trick. I was just walking here. Look at the mud in this place. Oh my, yo, hold on. My stance. No, I have to get these washed when we go. Oh my god, bro. Yo, is the ball ready?
वो दे दिया?
Oh my god, I feel like my shoes are gonna fall off. Yeah.
The last technique is the tip is to be calm, cool, and collected, because when you're taking a free kick,
Heavy.
the last thing you want to do is thinking about the consequences of missing it.
Just no pressure, but this is the last shot that's being taken on this goal. This is the only try we have. We're gonna retire it right after this shot, alright?
It went in from this year and came out of that year. That doesn't matter to me. For me, it's just a practice goal. Keep practicing. Obviously, I haven't practiced on this field. And I'm gonna try it right now. If I had practiced for quite a long time, then I would probably be like really good at this. And I'm probably gonna miss it because I have a little bit of pressure because we're gonna retire this goal. But I'm gonna try to stay locked in and shoot.
You got this.
Oh, that's in the center. That's a very bad shot by me. I was trying to go left bin, like bottom bin.
Bro, my shoes are so heavy. I swear these got like 3 extra kilos on them or something. And that's been it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Chat, I might have to retire my drain after this. Oh my god. Look at the amount of mud on this. I've hardly played for one video and it's gained like at least 2 extra kilos. I tried to take a shot and don't play with heavy shoes. That's how you take a free kick. Here are the best tricks and trips. That's a blue. Cut that. Stop recording. Next thing is do not toe the ball at any cost. Let me explain you why. You can show them that area. When you toe the ball, it just goes in a straight line. It's really easy for a goalie to predict where the ball is going.